Let's be honest, constantly throwing away batteries, that's really not necessary anymore these days. The rechargeable batteries from MediaRange are the smart and, above all, modern alternative for your everyday life. Whether it's a remote control, torch, children's toy, or a wireless mouse, anywhere you need AA or AAA batteries in your daily life, you now have a sustainable alternative. And the best part is, charging them is super easy. No special charger and no complicated technology. All you need is a USB-C charging cable, just like the one you use to charge your phone. Simply plug it in and you're done. With the practical 4-in-1 USB-C charging cable, you can charge up to 4 batteries at the same time. Which means for you, no mess and no tangled cables. And do you know what's really brilliant? Each battery can be recharged up to 1,200 times. That means less waste, significantly lower costs, and a real plus for our environment. After about 2 hours of charging, the batteries are ready to use again. So you'll always have power at hand, whether you're at home or on the go. MediaRange batteries. Simple, sustainable, and always ready when you need them.